Lego Dude, may I talk to you? Yes, but make it quick. Lego Dude, I just heard a rumor that you're going to be using the turbo tank, yet you're not going to even be using the clones that go with it. Yes, that's true, but don't worry, I have plenty of time to be in videos too. Help! I can't see! Lego Dude, what was that? Ow! What just hit me? Oh, that's really hot. I have no idea what that was, but I hope it. Ugh! Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, blackheads can't see without helmets or whatever they're wearing above their blackheads, and you're a blackhead, so it'd probably be best if you just keep your helmet on. Okay, thanks, Lego Dude. Yep, it's just another day at the office.